I'm cooking a simple grilled brinjal steak served with mushroom and capsicum sauce flavored with Rajma. I'm taking a full brinjal, cut the sides off, and I'm going to remove both the sides with the skin because I need the center slices so that you get more of the flesh and not the skin. And we'll run the knife through on both the sides so that the marinade again would get in and bring flavors to the brinjal. So run the knife nicely, and once we're done with that, we're going to take a plate and get the marinade ready. So start with Rajma powder, some mixed herbs, some salt and a little oil to get the marinade moving, and mix that well. And once you've done the mixing for the marinade, we're going to take the brinjal and marinate the brinjal, get the marinade to go into the grooves so there's more flavor in the brinjal, because ideally a lot of people don't like brinjal, but we're going to make those people love brinjal. So marinate both sides nicely, and once you're done with that, you can keep it aside. Get the capsicum chopped because we're making a mushroom capsicum Rajma sauce. So a couple of mushrooms sliced, kept aside. Chop up garlic, which is very important, brings out a lot of flavor, and keep that aside. And take a shallow pan and add a little oil. You can use olive oil, you can use regular oil, whatever's there at home, and drop in the garlic, let them saute, which brings out a good flavor onto the dish. And we'll drop in the capsicum, again another burst of flavors with the garlic, both combined together, saute them. And we would add the mushrooms. Now the mushrooms, once you add, let them saute and the color would change for the mushrooms, so it gets a little softer. So yeah, you can see the color changing. Bringing all it together, flavors, the smell, everything is perfect. And we're going to add some salt, a little pepper, and I'm using mixed herbs for more flavors, and not forgetting the co-ingredient, the Rajma powder, because as I said, it's creamy mushroom capsicum sauce flavored with Rajma. So this is again fusion of Indian and Conti, and you can see the color changing. You can see we've added cream, which is Milky Mist, good thick cream, and you add sufficient cream so that you can get it moving in the pan. And don't worry of it getting thick, we could loosen it. Just add a little water and it's nice and creamy and movable. So we're done with the sauce. Keep it aside. Taking a flat pan, a little more oil, and spread the oil out on the pan a little bit. Remember, all this is done at home, so we're making things easy, where add the brinjals, which has been marinated for some time, and put it onto the pan. This could fry for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, depending on the heat, which could be a low heat. And just move the pan around, move the brinjals on the pan, and you can see that in 3 to 5 minutes it would fry and the brinjal would get softer with a light crisp on top, crispness. Flip it. Smells are good, and I can get the smell of the rajma coming out.